Alright, what is up everybody? It is Friday, last day of the week here. Looking like a pretty slow day. SPY is gapping up pretty good here though. Currently we're opening above 311 and yesterday's high day was about 311. So if SPY wants to continue to hold this, I mean there's going to be a super micro gap fill, I guess you could say. But pre-market here, I mean, you could say we've been uptrending. I mean, we failed to make a new low here, so we just tapped it again. Did make a new high here, failing to get underneath, significantly underneath that 311 here. So looking like we're pretty strong into the open, but I also have some good shorts. Can't ignore the shorts, but obviously yesterday was pretty close to a disaster trying the short game. So really today's main goal is to make sure I'm taking the right shorts, not just taking any short. And right now Tesla is the right short. The big level for Tesla to be holding underneath here is 340.85-ish. And currently we got a little bit of a trap trade situation here. Got a nice range, had a nice range here, busted down, broke down pretty good, held it, retested it right here, almost to the penny, and already fallen back off again. So looking super weak here to start in Tesla. I am looking for a scalp breakdown here underneath of this 340. And obviously pre-market, I mean, Tesla's got just crazy overextended. I mean, there is tons of room for a pull down here. I mean, we're talking like 40 points at least, possibly even more. I mean, we'll obviously have to wait and see what happens here. And if Tesla's going to leave me, it's going to suck, but have to deal. It seems like it's doing it anyway here. So we will be going for low day or pre-market lows here. And it's just beyond too spready for me. I can't. That's too volatile. Not surprised. Tesla traded 9% of its average daily volume in pre-market. So definitely easy to predict that it's going to be a little bit of a problem. Tesla's other higher time frame spot is 337.50. I really don't have too many other stocks that I'm watching today. Tesla was really number one, and just about pretty much the only one. Got some other names I'm looking at. I mean, could happen. So I'm pulling up pretty good here. I don't think I'm going to go for a long in Tesla. Could look at this as a trap trader situation here. I'm getting along MRK here because I'm also looking for a breakout at 72. I will be adding another. Actually, I will be adding another lot here. In fact, I think I can get a little bit bigger than this. I'm gonna go 350 because this will be a scalp because this is a higher time frame spot here in Merck. Looking for a big breakout continuation push here. Looks like I'll get it. Yeah, Tesla's all over the map. Alright, so we got 600 long in Merck. Stop loss for this 350 is going to be 58. Oh, well, that's not going to help. Merck is in the midst of a gigantic triangle breakout. I mean, it's been trying the past couple of days here, and we opened pretty tight. Got a nice little gap and go set up here, so it looks pretty good. See, okay. That's Alta. Jesus, Merck with a giant failure. Holy shit, dude. Oh my, you gotta be kidding me. Holy hell, dude. That was an absolute failure. That was terrible. Oh, come on, dude. You gotta be joking me. Don't know what to say. Just sometimes you just really get the worst of it. I swear to God, if this thing comes all the way back up. Absolutely killing me, man. That high is 77. Did I screw myself? Holy shit, I screwed myself. Oh, there you go. That's the problem, is I mislabeled the higher time frame spot, so I got into it. Well, the good news is that we have a trade on square too. Yeah, I guess it's good news. Oh, it's just gonna rip me too. Okay, clearly made a mistake the first time. Let me make sure this is actually the right stuff I'm looking at here. 67 is the number to beat. Okay. Don't get my fucking ad, dude. Man, spread and square is ridiculous too. I've never seen square this spready. I'm going to try and add 250 here. My stop is going to be very short, just underneath of it. I wanted to get this entry anyway. I mean, it spiked on me so fast here, I couldn't really have time to think about it. And now I'm not going to get it at all. See what the tape looks like up here. I might be able to get a scalp in and out above the whole number. Yeah, that's a lot. Square's got reasons to be super strong, so it's got reasons to bust through. I mean, if it doesn't want to bust now, that's not going to hurt me at all, because I would like to get that ad back around to 75. Unbelievable, man. I can't believe it. It's coming back up here. Alright, 79 is the number to beat here. Jesus, I can't even go for a scalp on this one anymore. Yes, I can. I'm gonna go 300. Looks like, let's look at the tape here. Looks like 60, so. I mean, it's a big time breakout area, so I mean, I want the trade. And now that I got it at the right spot here, I need to see it actually bust through. Looks like I can tighten my stop even more here. Need to make sure I'm still watching square. It did pull down, and it did hold once. And Merc is dying. This thing needs to go, man. Come on. I can't believe we're not seeing a breakout here. I have to leave it because I need to look at square. It's the very bottom of that zone here that I'm looking for. I'm also out of this trade at 40. If you have tester, fine, I guess. And SPY. Mark is very slow up here. I can't believe we're not just blowing through this. Jesus, dude, square is gonna stop me out. Fang names are not that strong at the moment here. SPY not super spectacular either. We're taking his time. That's Johnson & Johnson giving me an alert. I can't do anything in Merc here. We got an after hours high of right where high day is right now. That's not true. That is pre-market. Oh no, that's yesterday's. Yesterday's pre-market high is right here at 86, and we broke it. Current stop is 76. Take profit is nowhere yet. I mean, it looks absolutely phenomenal here. Got a nice triangle trend break, coming up with some volume. It's been getting stuck here quite a lot lately, but as of this open, looks pretty good. Why did I... How do I not have this in? This thing's gonna have to bust the whole number for me. Alright, square's not looking too good. Yeah, right around VWAP. Market's not exactly strong either here. Okay, I think I'm going for a Tesla low day scalp here. Holy Jesus, what am I gonna do? 30 shares? God, look at that spread. Spread is 50 cents. I mean, it's a point now, but I'm sure it won't stay a point. I also don't want to just take a trade here and have it screw me and be the end of my day. Okay. Why don't you hold on a second? Why? Do I just not click the button? Like, I don't understand what I'm doing. Like, I swear to God that order was in. And then now it's not. Did I just not click the button? I don't understand. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. An unbelievable nightmare of a week. I had the best green day of my career on Monday, and it has just been downhill since. Just terrible. Just some absolute bullshit. So far today, it's my own fault. And not even really. I mean, we're just... nothing, man. I do like Alta for a short. Tesla's total bust. In fact, Tesla's actually now looking like a pretty decent long here. We got a really nice tight range to work with and view app if we can get above 336.22. Alright, well, there you go. Figured there could be a really good short squeeze here. Square's gonna stop me out, and I'm gonna be done trading for the day. Man. And for some reason, I'm not getting out. I actually can't believe it. Just terrible, man. Just absolutely terrible. Alright, I'm not even gonna bother. I'm done. Goodbye.